In the United Kingdom, some pretty tough lockdown restrictions are probably on the way. Much of England is already living under some very tough level of restrictions that have been designed to stop the spread of the virus and also to protect the national healthcare system from collapse. The COVID-19 cases in Britain are at record levels, and the increase in numbers has been fueled by new and the more transmissible variant of the virus. And what we are looking at right now are visuals of one more elderly patient who is getting vaccinated. We are given to understand that this is happening at Oxford, and it is the new Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine that is being administered to the patient in question here. Now remember, the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine has been approved in Britain. It's also been approved in India. And this is said to have an efficacy rate of almost about 70%. It also has to be administered in 2 separate doses, and it has, in the number of tests that have been carried out, has generated some kind of an immune response that prevents the spread of the virus. Now, what is interesting in all of this is, of course, that there is a new mutant variant of the coronavirus that has come about, and these companies that have manufactured the vaccine, keeping the criteria of the earlier virus, still insist that the new mutant variant of the virus will not spread once people are administered with this vaccine. So this vaccine that was designed in trials that were conducted in a lot of people that had the earlier variant of the coronavirus, whether it remains effective even against the new variant of the coronavirus is something that needs to be seen. But this is, of course, a pretty highly publicized administering of the vaccine that's being done in Britain. This is the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine. It's been approved in Britain. It's also been approved in India as well. And the rollout has begun in Britain. The rollout is expected to begin sometime soon in India. Now remember, Britain has, of course, recorded more than 50,000 cases of infections consistently for the period of the last 6 days. It's also reported almost about 75,000 deaths in the pandemic so far. Now, in an interview, British Prime Minister Boris Johnson insisted that restrictions that might be about to get tougher, and there is a range of tougher measures that the government would like to consider. The opposition Labour leader, Keir Starmer, has said that Johnson must implement a national lockdown within the next 24 hours.
Yeah, that's on the national system, so your GP will know that you've had the vaccine. So you've had the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine this morning, 0001. First batch. Had that today on the 4th.
Yes.
We'll take you through to get another couple of tea.
Thank you.
We'll give you that card.
Thank you very much.
And we'll go.
Thank you.